diving into the world of smartphones to bring you an in-depth review of the all-new TECNO Camon 30 Pro. Let's kick things off with a bang by talking about what sets this smartphone apart from the competition. In a market where other OEMs are playing it safe, TECNO has gone above and beyond by including true wireless earbuds with the Camon 30 Pro. And let me tell you, they're not just any earbuds, they sound fantastic. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now, let's talk about the design of the Camon 30 Pro. It's sleek, modern, and stylish, with a design that catches the eye. The new camera sensors are a game changer, offering improved performance and capturing stunning images. And let's not forget about the battery life. With the Camon 30 Pro, you'll never have to worry about running out of juice halfway through the day. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Camon 30 Pro is its processing power. Powered by a brand new processor, this smartphone is lightning fast, making it the fastest mid-range device on the market. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing games, the Camon 30 Pro can handle it all with ease. And let's not forget about the display. The Camon 30 Pro features a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is excellent, and the touch response is incredibly responsive. It's perfect for gamers who demand instant feedback and smooth gameplay. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Camon 30 Pro boasts a dual camera setup on the rear, featuring a 50-megapixel main camera and an ultra-wide-angle lens. The images captured by these cameras are nothing short of spectacular, with rich colors, plenty of detail, and impressive dynamic range. And for selfie enthusiasts, the front-facing camera is equally impressive, capturing stunning shots even in low-light conditions. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Camon 30 Pro is its battery life. With a massive 5000 mAh battery, this smartphone can easily last all day on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the included 70W fast charger can juice up the battery from 0 to 100% in just 52 minutes. Talk about convenience. In terms of software, the Camon 30 Pro runs on Android 14 with TECNO's custom skin on top. It's clean, intuitive, and free of bloatware, providing a smooth and seamless user experience. And with guaranteed updates for at least 2 years, you can rest assured that your device will stay up to date with the latest features and security patches. The TECNO Camon 30 Pro is a powerhouse of a smartphone that offers exceptional performance, stunning visuals, and a premium user experience. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just someone who wants a reliable and feature-packed device, the Camon 30 Pro has got you covered. So if you're in the market for a new smartphone, look no further than the TECNO Camon 30 Pro, you won't be disappointed. And that wraps up our review of the TECNO Camon 30 Pro. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.